Good morning, children. Welcome to online class. Children, in previous class, I taught you the solar system. Today, I will teach you about India, our motherland, that is lesson 3, and our constitution, that is lesson 4. Children, everyone know we live in India. It is our motherland. India, our motherland, is the best country in the world. It is situated in Asia. It is the second most populous country in the world, next to China. In terms of area, it ranks 7th in the world. It is peninsula. It is surrounded by the Bay of Bengal in the east, the Arabian Sea in the west, and the Indian Ocean in the south. The Himalayas stand as a guard to its north. India is a multicultural, multilingual, and multiracial country. People of different castes, creed, color, customs, and cultures live here in peace and harmony. It is one of the biggest democratic in the world. It has friendly relation with the countries of the world. It is emerging as an economic power. It has made ties with major trading companies in the world. Its location is very favorable for trade and commerce. It is proud to have the oldest civilization in the world. It is known to have the oldest republic as well. It is the biggest and most successful democracy in the world. It was the center of learning and education in ancient India. People from different parts of the world came here to acquire knowledge. It is the birthplace of three religions: Sikhism, Buddhism, and Jainism. Today, Buddhism is popular religion in many countries of the world. It is the land of saints, and saints like Mahavir, Guru Nanak, Buddha, Kabir, Rahim, all were born in India. They gave the world the message of peace, love, harmony, and brotherhood. They gave the society a new direction. About our constitution, India is a union of states. It is a sovereign socialist secular democratic republic with a parliamentary system of government. The republic is governed by in terms of the constitutions of India, which was adopted by the Constituent Assembly and on 26th January 1950. The Constitution provides for a parliamentary form of government which is federal in structure with certain unitary features. The constitutional head of the executive of the Union is the President. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. The Constitution of India lays down the framework on which Indian polity is run. Children, do you know who wrote Indian constitutions? There is no one person who has written the Constitution of India. Normally, the credit for drafting the Constitution is given to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, as he was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constitution Assembly. Children, do you know how many articles are there in Indian constitutions? In Indian constitution has 470 articles which are grouped into 25 parts. Children, now see in your lesson 3 what is written in question number A. Put a tick mark for each correct answer. Here a statement is given and 3 options are given. You have to choose the correct option and put the tick mark. First one, Gautam Buddha attained enlightenment under a Bodhi or people tree in both Gaya in Nepal, India, Burma. Correct answer is India. Second one, Asoka, the great king, belonged to the dynasty of Mauryas. Correct answer is Mauryas. Third one, the emperor known as the Indian Napoleon was here. Correct answer is Samudragupta. Number 4. Akbar's court poet was here. Three options are Birbal, Rahim, Behram Khan. So, correct answer is Rahim. The founder of the Mughal rule in India was correct answer is here Babur. Now question number 6. Mumtaz Mahal was the wife of Shah Jahan, Akbar, Babur. Correct answer is Shah Jahan. Number 7. Bindusara was the father of here three options are Asoka, Jahangir, Kanishka. Correct answer is Asoka. The first Muslim woman to rule India was answer. Correct answer is Razia Begum. Number 9. Ibrahim Lodi was defeated at the Battle of Panipat by correct answer is Babur. Number 10. Shah Jahan was the son of Jahangir. Now number B. See here, fill in the blanks with the correct answer from the box. Here years are given, you have to fill the correct words, correct years in statement. First one is the first war of Indian independence took place in 1857. The Quit India resolution was passed in 1942. Number 3. The Azad Hind Fauj was founded in 1943. Number 4. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in 1919. Number 5. The Nehru Report proposing Dominion Constitution for India was prepared in 1928. Number 6. Gandhiji took over the leadership of the INC in year 1921. Number 7. The partition of Bengal took place in 1905. Number 8. The non-cooperation movement lasted from 1920 to 1922. And number 9. The Indian National Congress was founded in year 1885. Number 10. The first round table conference was held in London in 1930. Number C. Connect by writing the correct letter in the box. Here statement is given both sides and you have to choose the correct answer, and that answers letters will be have to write in the box. First one, the first session of the INC was held in, correct answer is Mumbai. So you have to write F in the box. Jallianwala Bagh is in, correct answer is Amritsar. So you have to write Amritsar is in C. So you have to write the in box C. The first session of the INC was presided over by, answer is B, W.C. Banerjee. So you have to write only B here. Like that you have to write all. Now see, in chapter 4 our constitutions, first question is put a tick mark for each correct answer. Here also same things. One statement is given, three options are there. You have to choose the correct option. First one, the Indian Constitution was adopted on, answer is November 26, 1949. Number 2, the chairman of the Constituent Assembly was, answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Number 3, the term of office of the president lasts for, answer is 5 years. The age of retirement of High Court and Supreme Court judges is 65 years. Correct answer is 65 years. The first general elections were held in India in, answer is 1951-52. The Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces is, the President. Number 7. The Chairman of the Lok Sabha is the Speaker. Number 8. The Indian Constitution was enforced in year 1950. Number 9. The term of Rajya Sabha member is 6 years. The minimum age to stand for election to the Lok Sabha is 25 years. Then see here number B. Cancel the wrong alternatives in each of the following. Children, here two options are given. You have to cancel the wrong alternatives. That means you have to cross the wrong answer. Okay. First one, President, Vice President is the chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Who is the chairman of the Rajya Sabha? Vice President is the chairman of the Rajya Sabha. So which one is wrong here? President. So what we have to do? We have to put the cross mark on President. Means you have to cross the wrong answers. Cross the wrong answers. Okay. See here. Number 2. Dr. Rajendra Prasad B.R. Ambedkar. So which one is wrong? Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the chairman of the drafting committee. No, B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee. So you have to cross the Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Our constitution cannot be amended. Here cannot is wrong. So you put the wrong mark. The President, the Prime Minister is the head of the state. The Prime Minister is wrong here. Cancel it. The Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha is considered to be a permanent house. Lok Sabha is the wrong answer. So you cancel it. The minimum age for the Rajya Sabha candidate is 25-30 years. 25 is wrong. So we have to cancel it. The monthly salary of the Indian President is fixed by the Parliament Prime Minister. The Prime Minister is the wrong answer, so you have to put the cross mark here. Number 8. The Indian President retires without pensions. The without is wrong here, so we have to put the cancel cross mark here. 9 number. The Indian Constitution is written, unwritten. Unwritten is wrong. So you have to put the cross mark here. Now see the option C, question number C. Connect this by writing the correct letter in the box for each. Again, both sides statement is given. You have to write the correct letter. You have to match. After matching, you have to write the correct letter in the given box. First one, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Correct answer is the first chairman of the Rajya Sabha, and first chairman of the Rajya Sabha is answer is D. So you have to write here D. Lok Sabha. Correct answer is the members should not be less than 25 years of age. And so here you have in the box you have to write E. Republic. Head is an elected representatives. So like that you have to write all. Children, all the details of these chapters means all the questions, blanks, fill in the blanks and cancel the wrong alternatives in each of the following, all are given in description. So from there you have to write in your copy, otherwise in your book.